Welcome to our channel. Before we dive into the detailed review, please note that the link to purchase this wireless keyboard and mouse combo at a special discount is pinned in the first comment below. This combo brings a unique blend of vintage aesthetics and modern functionality, perfect for anyone looking to enhance their typing and navigation experience on a Windows PC. The standout feature is its retro typewriter keyboard design, complete with charming round keycaps that not only look stylish, but are also made from fade-resistant material, ensuring they stay vibrant and readable over time. The wireless setup operates on a stable 2.4 GHz connection, offering reliable performance up to 33 feet away without the hassle of tangled cords. Setting it up is a breeze thanks to its plug-and-play design, no drivers needed. This makes it ideal for home, office, or college environments where convenience and efficiency are key. Comfort is another highlight. The full-size keyboard includes a numeric keypad, which is a boon for multitasking and data entry. Additionally, the ergonomic mouse is designed to reduce wrist strain, making it comfortable for extended use whether you're working or gaming. Productivity is further enhanced by 13 hotkeys that provide quick access to essential functions, although it's worth noting that some hotkeys may not be fully supported on Mac systems, though core functions remain operational. On the downside, while the vintage round keys are visually appealing, they might take some time to get used to if you're accustomed to traditional square keycaps. Also, Mac users might experience limited hotkey functionality, which could be a consideration if you're looking for full compatibility. Overall, this wireless keyboard and mouse combo offers a great balance of style, comfort, and functionality, making it a worthy addition to your workspace. Don't forget, the exclusive discounted purchase link is pinned at the top of the first comment, so be sure to check it out to sum up. This combo is perfect for those who appreciate retro aesthetics combined with modern wireless convenience, especially suited for Windows PC users in home, office, or college settings. Its ergonomic design and efficient hotkeys make it a practical choice, despite minor compatibility considerations. Remember, the link to grab this product at a discount is fixed in the first comment below. Happy typing and clicking!